What up, guys? It is finally riding weather, baby, here in Florida. And Halloween decorations. Like a massive skeleton in your neighbor's yard. Thing is huge. But I am excited for this weather. It's currently 68 degrees out. A little bit of a breeze. Sun is shining. It is just the perfect riding weather. And if you're from Florida, you know you wait for this type of weather all year. Look at more Halloween decorations. And then when it's here, you ride as much as possible. But yeah, shooting a quick video. It's kind of like the start of our riding season, I guess. So super exciting because in the summer it is blazing hot, humid, and miserable, and you have no idea when it's going to rain. So riding a motorcycle during that season is no bueno. And I know some of you may be commenting, oh, you're not a real biker. Well, you know what? I got a truck. I'd rather ride my truck than be in crappy Florida weather where it's gonna rain in the afternoon, where you're gonna sweat like crazy and be hot. This time of year is when I love to ride, take my bike to work, you know, ride it as much as possible. And also that should mean more content from me because I'm gonna be riding more. Such a great feeling. So yeah, I live right by this random airport. I call it the grass airport because it's a grass landing strip, but these people literally live in these houses and they have hangars for their planes. The funny thing is the hangars are usually bigger than their houses or they're attached to it. But hey, I'm not making fun of them because I don't have a plane, but I got a motorcycle. But yeah, it's pretty cool. They're usually flying around on Saturdays. I used to be annoyed by it because they'd be flying around my neighborhood Saturday mornings and just buzzing around. But now I'm kind of used to it. It's like an ambient noise. But yeah, this is where they land. It's pretty cool. You can go out and see airplanes all the time. But yeah, I'm basically on my way to work. I work a crazy 4 days in a row shifts, but I get Friday, Saturday, Sundays off, which is nice. In my last video you guys saw, I went to Seminole Harley in Orlando or Sanford, and I got to meet Blockhead, Shay Tree Surgeon, Shay Lisi, and her two wheels. I didn't get her two wheels on camera. I did get to talk to her though, and we actually looked at that eclipse that was around the other day. I looked at it with her with these binoculars that she had, and she was pretty cool. They're all really, you know, down to earth. But that was a really cool moment for me because I got to see the people that have paved the way for motovlogging. They've made it successful, I guess. You know, most of them, or actually I think all of them, do it full time now, and that's like their income. They don't have to work a job like me. Now you're asking like, oh, do you want to become that or become that big? No, to be honest, like I do this for fun, and you know, if it makes some partnerships or a little bit of money on the side, that's totally cool. You know, I got a baby on the way, so that would definitely be much appreciated. But it's not my goal to blow this channel up and, you know, make it a full-time job and you know, start my own garage and all that. Like, that's already been done, Blockhead. But I genuinely enjoy doing this. I enjoy interacting with all of you. We have finally passed 200 subscribers, and I know that pales in comparison to a bunch of other people, but for me, I started with the Lowrider S content about 7 months ago, and the channel grew by like 110 people. So thank you guys so much that have subscribed and that have commented on my videos and interacted with me. Like, I really love doing it. I love hearing your stories. There's so many people that comment like how they got this bike, or certain parts that I put on, they've put on, and it's really cool to see that. And that people, you know, watch my stuff and are interested in it. So if you have anything you want to talk about, any questions about my bike, this model in general, or even about the Sportster S, because I had one, feel free to leave a comment below, and I try to respond to everybody. Right now my channel's at a point where I can respond to everyone. I can't keep that promise, you know, if we grow too big, because I work a full-time job, so I can't, you know, read thousands of comments if that ever happens. But I do plan to push more content now that this beautiful weather is here. It's supposed to be this nice all week. I used to only do one video a week, but with the weather like this, I might push out some more. But I also would love to make content that you guys want to see. So if there's anything you want me to make or talk about, give my opinion on, stuff like that, I am down, because it's hard to think of stuff to talk about. You know, you have your random thoughts when you ride a motorcycle, and that's kind of the beauty of motovlogging, is you get to, you know, share your thoughts that you're thinking by yourself in your helmet, but you get to do it to the camera, and maybe it's funny, maybe it's, you know, something revealing in your life, maybe you have an epiphany and you get to record it. But as far as just thinking of stuff to talk about that people will be engaged with, that's not that easy to do. So I am almost to work. Like I said, if you guys could please leave some comments, hit the like button, let YouTube know you enjoy this content, I would truly appreciate it. Share it with your friends, and as always, ride safe and keep 2 wheels down. Until the next time, see ya.